Hello all, welcome to our channel, The Chat Club. This is Vasant Manik. For gardening lovers, an exclusive gardening playlist link has been mentioned in the description. Kindly do watch. In this video, we are going to see about a most fascinating plant known for its vibrant colored flowers. Yes, it's the Anthurium. The other common names are flamingo plant or painter's palette. In the first half of this video, we shall see about how to grow an Anthurium and about the potting mix. In the second half, it is about the Anthurium plant care tips and maintenance. Come, let's get into the video. Let us see step-by-step procedure to grow an Anthurium plant. Okay, the things that are necessary to grow a healthy Anthurium are charcoal, coconut husk, vermicompost, coco pit and garden soil. Okay, now let us see the step-by-step procedure to grow a healthy Anthurium. Please make sure that the pot is having drainage holes. It's very important. Now I'm going to close these drainage holes. I have closed the drainage holes. Next, we have to place coconut husk into the pot. Now I'm having garden soil, vermicompost and coco pit. Now I'm gonna add all the three. Next, you have to add the soil mixture into the pot. The soil mixture has been added. After that, now the plant has to be placed inside the pot. Next, you have to add the soil mixture along the sides. Now we have planted it and we have added the soil mixture as well into the pot. Next, you have to add charcoal on the soil mixture. The purpose of adding charcoal is that it has numerous benefits. It is low in density, it lightens heavy soil, it allows better root growth, it increases drainage, allows air into the soil and absorbs excess moisture, thereby preventing root rot. It also balances the pH level of the soil and repels many insects as well. After adding charcoal, now I am again adding the soil mixture. Next, I am covering the pot with coconut husk again. This is a perfect step-by-step procedure to grow a healthy Anthurium, and the final step is I am adding water to it. Now let us discuss about the Anthurium plant care tips and maintenance. The flowers of the Anthurium are some of the long-lasting on earth, which means that the dazzling color flowers will even remain the same for several weeks. Basically, Anthuriums are tropical rainforest plants and the most common house plant varieties are epiphytic in nature That means they grow on trees in the same way like orchids do. I would say Anthuriums are not the easiest plants to grow indoors. However, if you grow with some knowledge and consistency in care, I'm 100% pretty sure that your efforts will be rewarded. Regarding the amount of sunlight, one of the most common reasons why Anthurium house plants don't bloom is due to insufficient light. Anthurium prefers bright indirect sunlight. Please make a note, the direct sun may burn the leaves. The more indirect light the plant receives, the more blooms your plant will produce. Anthuriums can even survive and produce vigorous foliage in lower lighting conditions, but they won't flower if they don't have lots of bright indirect sunlight. Regarding watering, water when the top of the soil is 50 to 70% dry. Water until the liquid flows through the drainage hole at the bottom of the pot, and make sure to discard any water that has accumulated in the saucer. Since Anthurium love moisture, it may seem logical to conclude that you need to maintain plenty of water in the potting mixture, but their roots are used to being exposed to air and don't do well in soggy soil. On the other hand, too little water will also harm your plant and its ability to flower. Remember that in nature, these Anthuriums grow on rainforest trees. So, although they receive lots of rain, their roots are exposed to the air rather than being buried in soil. These plant roots are specially adapted to the cycles of rain that come and go, and they will not tolerate soggy soil at any instance. Regarding humidity, the Anthurium plant loves a humid environment. Since these plants come from rainforests, you can just imagine the humidity that they enjoy in their native environments. So, feel free to mist your plant every day. Anthurium needs a moist environment, so be sure to maintain high humidity around your plant. Lack of humidity will cause the foliage to lose its sheen. The next topic is fertilizing. To get consistent Anthurium flowers, feed your plant with phosphorus-rich liquid fertilizers. We hope this video would have been useful to you. We have published many videos about gardening tips and tricks about indoor plants and its maintenance, and many more stuffs about gardening. The gardening playlist link has been mentioned in the description. Kindly do watch. If you found our videos to be interesting, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, and more importantly, don't forget to click the bell icon to get regular updates. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening!